Alright, question number 15. We want to figure out the equation of the line going through a point, which is minus 4, 4, and having a slope, which is equal to minus 5 over 4. Alright, so again, we always look to what are we given. Alright, do not look at the question. Alright, so the question is asking about the slope-intercept is irrelevant. Alright, why? Because that's the end result, is not what you are given. Alright, so looking carefully to the question here, we are given a point. Alright, so this is a point which is minus 4 and 4, and we are giving a slope, right, which is m equals to minus 5 over 4. So with a point and a slope, the best way to use them is to use the point slope equation, and you can relate, right? So you can relate, we have a point, all right, and you can relate, we have a slope. That's why we are using the point slope equation. Or what is the point slope equation? Is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. All right, so here you can tell, obviously this is x1, y1, and this is the m. So you just go ahead and plug it in. So if I do so, this is going to be y minus 4 equals to m, which is minus 5 over 4 times x minus x1, and x1 is minus 4. Alright, so then you can work on it. So y minus 4 equals to minus 5 over 4, and this became x plus 4. And you can notice here, if I make a distribution, for instance, this is really easy. If I make a distribution of this here and here, what will happen with this 4 here and this 4 here will cancel out. Alright, so let's see how it's going to be. So it became y minus 4 equals to minus 5 over 4x. Minus times positive is going to be negative. 5 over 4 times 4. This will cancel out the 4's. Alright, so let's continue. This will end up with y minus 4 equals to minus 5 over 4x minus 5. Alright, last step is to move the minus 4 to this side, and this will get us y equals to minus 5 over 4x. Minus 4 became plus 4, so minus 5 plus 4 here. And finally, y is going to be minus 5 over 4x minus 1. And this should be your final answer. And you notice here that we started with the point slope equation. However, we ended up with the slope intercept equation. And why that? Because we decided to solve for y. Alright, so every time you decide to solve for y here, so really we ended up with this equation. This is an equation of a line already. Alright, so we could have stopped here if they didn't put the condition slope intercept. Alright, so we went further from here and start making distribution and trying to solve for the y until we get to the end. Alright, so I hope this helps.